Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your business data? Today, we're diving into how Windsor.ai can revolutionize your business intelligence, helping you make smarter, faster, and more profitable decisions. In today's competitive market, data is everything. But collecting, connecting, and analyzing data from different platforms is overwhelming. That's where Windsor.ai steps in, an AI-powered marketing attribution and analytics platform designed to simplify your data journey and supercharge your business insights. Why choose Windsor.ai for business intelligence? Unified data integration. Windsor.ai connects all your marketing, CRM, and sales data in real time, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, HubSpot, Salesforce, and more, into a single, powerful dashboard. Advanced attribution modeling. Understand exactly which channels drive results. Windsor.ai offers customizable attribution models like last click, first click, linear, and data-driven attribution, empowering you to invest smarter. AI-driven insights. Windsor.ai's machine learning algorithms analyze millions of data points to deliver actionable insights, identifying trends, predicting customer behavior, and suggesting next best actions for your business growth. Seamless BI integration. Already using tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Looker? No problem. Windsor.ai integrates smoothly, enriching your current BI stack with even deeper, real-time data. Cost optimization and ROI growth. By knowing exactly where your marketing dollars work best, you can optimize budgets and maximize ROI like never before. Don't let your valuable data go to waste. Start making smarter decisions with Windsor.ai today. Click the link in the description to learn more and take your business intelligence to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on growing your business with cutting-edge tools. See you next time.